Hello everybody, today I would like to talk to you about how to enhance colors in Photoshop under 1 minute. Okay, let's start. First of all, open your picture in Photoshop. After that, you may need some palettes. From the window, select Navigator for zoom in and zoom out and layers. Okay, from the layers palette, select the adjustment and then select hue and saturation. Okay. The color that you want to change. Here I would like to change the color of umbrella. So I select the reds from the master and then I have to enhance this color by this saturation. This one. Or you can change the color of umbrella maybe if you want. And I would like to change to enhance the colors of these grasses. So I repeat again and then hue and saturation. With this eyedropper, select the greens and then with this eyedropper select these grasses. You can enhance the other and another color too with this one. Increase and then enhance the color. Okay, finish. You can see the changes. Okay, have a good time.